Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will do how to remove the null value of a raster image using ArcGIS. So what is the null value? So here is my raster nighttime land surface temperature images, and these black side are the null values because these are shows as the dark object. So if you do any kind of analysis, so this may be caused some error or may some affect the result. So for that we need to remove this value. So if I want to know what is the pixel or what are the background value of this particular area, so for that we go to the identify tool and click here for the okay. So here is the pixel value is 2000 and stage value is 0. So these are actually the null values. There is also another ways, so we can check the distribution of the images, so we can clearly eliminate the null value. So for that we have to go to the right click, we have to do the right click and the properties, and from properties we have to go to the classified and click yes to build the histogram, then go to the classify option. So here we can see the histogram of the particular section. So if we notice that the 2000 the value distribution is 2000, then start from the 2844. So the huge range of data there is nothing. So these particular specific portion actually fall under the null value, so we have to remove this value. One second. So here if you look, that highest value is the 3040, but if we look the histogram, so the distribution comes to end at the 2977. so for that, beyond this 2977 also the null value, but in this case we actually remove this particular section from 2000 to 2780, or maybe below 280 2844 as a null value. So for that we need to you know let's keep it as it was. So for that we need to go to search the raster calculator. So here is my last raster calculator. So for that we have to go to the raster calculator and click the set null and select the raster and click the less than equal to 2500, and otherwise it will be same raster. So how do we read this symbol that we want to set the value as null? Which value? Now this value 2500 or means the raster value of 2166_18 less than 2500 should be set as null. Otherwise, I mean those pixel above the 2500 keep as it is. So this is my function, then okay, and select the appropriate folder and keep as null1. Okay, the result is here. So if we click that, so this particular section has been gone. So here we actually remove or set the below the 2500 value as the null value. So sequentially we can also remove that particular black value or set as a black value as the null value. For that, then we have to go to the properties and go to the classified section, build histogram yes, and then classify, and again we can see there is a huge gap, and the last value of the histogram is 2817. So here also below the 2500 values are actually the null values. So for that we gonna do the raster calculator, and set null 2618 is less than 2500, otherwise 2618. Okay, and call as 2602. Okay, so here we have the values on the below the raster where null value has been removed. So if we click the raster, so these raster actually perfectly align with each other, and there are no actually null values. For better visualization you can change the color ramp. This is the null value remove zone, and if we do, so this section, the blue section, has been removed completely. So thank you for the watching. Keep tuned for the latest GIS video. Bye bye.